When I came the first day, I thought it was pretty cool to learn about the drones and things like that. We're actually going to be able to fly the drones with pretty quickly.
What I like most about this program is being able to fly every day and learning to improve my skills in flying the drone.
So it was an idea brought forward by our school resource officer, Mr. Lewis. He was talking about opportunity to bring the program here at LGA, and the more we talked about it, it was pretty exciting. We said, let's try it in the summer, and then this is something that we can turn into an after-school club. And so far this summer, we have a number of students trying it out, and so far they're enjoying it.
So I want you to fly around it, back and forth, do that a couple times. So these kids are going to learn about where they can operate their drones, what type of airspace, whether it's controlled, uncontrolled. They're going to learn about how fast they can fly these drones, what type of career fields and schools. There's college universities out there that offer degrees in unmanned aerial systems. So I'm trying to expose these kids to potential career fields in the future with drones.
They're using it a lot more in filmmaking, entertainment, media, and it's really expensive, but you can get paid well as the drones, depending on what you work on.
This club will also bring an element of STEAM into it, and so it opens up their eyes to different possibilities in the future.
I was pretty nervous. I feel like I was going to crash because he was telling us the first day somebody crashed, and that had me really nervous because I didn't want to crash anything.
Educating the students so that they know the capabilities of the aircraft, they can fly within the rules.
With technology the way it is today, this gives students another opportunity to be engaged in a club that we have here on campus.